Hey, this is Gabe Mason for the WPCS TSA web design competition. And for the page computer engineering, which you're probably on right now, I am going to show you how computers work and mainly just what they do. So first, this is easily the case here. Built this, I think it was July of 2013. Late July or early August, so let's just carefully plop that over. Turn it around. Okay, so, and with the case I have, might not be able to see it, it's kind of dark. That's better. So, thumb screws, so all you need to do is just like that. Both sides. Just little thumb screws. Okay, then I need to clean up the dust, and I'll do that after this. That's what I got out in the first place. So, probably when you're looking at this, you don't know anything, you'll be very confused. But it's actually really simple. Okay, so first we should start with the motherboard, and that's basically, hold with this hand. That's just basically the central process of the motherboard. Like you can see some there, and like that Intel thing is the processor. But like all these different like buttons or like little data things on the motherboard aren't really important enough to go through, and they'll take forever. So basically motherboard is what makes the computer run, puts it all together. Okay, then right here, this big brick thing, it's called the graphics card. The one I have is a GTX 760. That's a chipset, and the manufacturer is PNY. Right there. And basically what this does is it takes all of the graphical things that would have to run through the computer, and it goes through this. And this is basically what allows people to play the really big computer games. And then over here is the processor. I only have an i5 Ivy Bridge quad core, didn't really go overboard on it. But basically what this does, it just does all the math equations that the computer needs to do. Or like, it processes everything since processor, but since I have a graphics card, it doesn't do any of the graphics. Okay, so over here, these are the little things that hold hard drives, and in this one right there, I have a 500 gig one set to master because I had my operating system on it, and then here I have this one set to slave, and that's a 2.5 terabyte, I think. So all in all, I have about 3 terabytes of internal storage. Okay, and then right here would be the power supply, and if you've seen a laptop charger before, which I know most of you have, it has like the power converter, like the big block in the middle of it. That's generally what this is. It just makes more energy to power all of this instead of just one motherboard, one laptop. So just plunge in there, all good. Okay, and then right there you can see I have 3 bays, but I only have one on right now, and it is a optical drive, or like a CD drive where you like press the button and a little disc pops out, and you a disc tray pops out, and you can put a tray you can put a CD or DVD in, and then that'll run it. So basically these are all the cords coming out of the power supply, and only the ones I need are plugged into things. Like there's the 24-pin motherboard connector, and that's what powers the motherboard. The thing on, okay, the processor are actually like a little chip, like that small, maybe that size. It's really small, but it goes up, it heats up really fast, and that's why there's a giant fan sitting on top of it, so it doesn't melt and destroys my computer. Basically. Okay, and then up there, you're probably wondering about SATA cables. SATA cables, where are mine again? Yeah, mine are right there. That's a SATA cable. And basically right there is what transfers the data from other things. So, like from the hard drives, each hard drive has to have a SATA cable running through the back of it. It goes down into one of these SATA cables. That's what's in the motherboard. The optical drive has to have like almost the exact same type of SATA cable. Oh yeah, one more thing. These are what are called sticks of RAM. RAM stands for randomly accessed memory. And this is basically how much memory your computer has to operate on. This is how much storage it has, the hard drives there. And most games depend on an amount of RAM to access. And each of these are just 8 gigabytes each. So that would be 16 gigabytes in all of total RAM. Okay, so this has just been a general overview of computers for the computer engineering. Thank you all for watching and looking at judging our website. Thanks.